We're here at Truck Access Plus in Phoenix. We just did a Ram 2021 TRX with the all aluminum RetraxPRO XR. So this is a retractable bed cover. It's lockable with a key. You go to the side of the truck, you push a lock down, and you slide it right back. So within seconds, you get access to the bed. You can see here, you still have plenty of space underneath below the canister to still load your bed. If you want to lock this cover, all you have to do is push the lock down and it locks on its track anywhere along the sealed ball bearings. It's super easy to use, one-hand operation. It's secure with the lock. You can stand on here, you can put 500 pounds of weight on here. Comes with a lifetime warranty. We do them here in Phoenix in 1 hour, or visit us and shop online at truckaccessplus.com.